Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3 of the same topic. So in that one we can see exercise 10.2. So solve the following equations and you have to check the result. After solving you have to check the result. So now this is the equation given. So what you can see, the denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM of that. So when you take the LCM you can check. When you take the LCM of 4 and 5, that will be 20. So here what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this by 5. Since you multiply this by 5, this also should be multiplied by 5. This by 4, so this also should be multiplied by 4, and the right hand side remains the same because this is the, we can say, the bridge between these two numbers. So this is the step what I have done. So now we'll see this will be 5x minus this 4x divided by the LCM is 20. That will be 1. So when you solve this one, 5x minus 4x, that is going to be x. X by 20 is 1. So x is going to be, you will take this on this side, on the right side, so that it will get multiplied. So 20 into 1, that is going to be 20. So you got the value of x is 20. Now we are going to check the result. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So first now let us take the left hand side. So left hand side is this one, so that is written the same over here. Wherever you see x, you are going to put the value as 20. So that is going to be 20 by 4. And this will be 20 by 5. So 20 by 4 means that is going to be 5. And this will be 20 by 5, that is going to be 4. So 5 minus 4, that is 1. And we can see the right hand side is 1. So we can say that is the RHS. So we can say the LHS is equal to RHS. So that is verified. Now for this one, the LCM is going to be, you can see here 5 and 6. This is the equation. So here the LCM is going to be 30. So this will be multiplied by 6. And this will be multiplied by 5, and the right hand side will keep as it is. So this is the step. So now this will be 6y minus 5y divided by 30 will be 1 by 30. So this will be 6y minus 5y means that is going to be y by 30 is going to be y 1 by 30. Now both the places is on the right hand side and the left hand side is 30, so we can cancel out. So that will be y will be 1. Or we can do one thing, if you get confused with this one, I'll show you the other way. So y is going to be 1 by 30 is on the right hand side, and if this goes in, this is in the denominator, if it changes the place, it will go in the numerator. So this and this gets cancelled, that is going to be 1. You can also do this way. So now we got the value of y as 1. So the LHS is, this one is written over here. So wherever you see y, you will write the value as 1. Rest all the same. So now again you can take here the LCM is 30. So this should be multiplied by 6, this by 5. So that is the step here. So this will be 6 minus 5 by 30, that will be 1 by 30. And 1 by 30 is the RHS, so that is verified. Now this is the equation. Here the LCM is going to be, LCM of 3 and 2, that is going to be 6. So this should be multiplied by 2, this also by 2, this by 3, this also by 3. So that is the step given here, right hand side remains the same. So 4x minus 3x, and this will be 6 over here. So what we can see now, 4x minus 3x, that is going to be x. X by 6 will be, because both the places is 6, you can write it only once. That is 3. So x is going to be, this will go on this side. So it will get multiplied. That is going to be 6 into 3. That will be 18. So you got x as 18. Now we will take the left hand side. So in place of x, we are going to put 18. Rest all the same. 36 minus, here we can write here separately, because here the denominators are different. So we'll write here 36 by 3, and this will be, we can also make it smaller, that is simplified. So that is going to be 9. 2 9s are 18. So now this will be, or you can also do one thing over here, we can write here itself, we can simplify it, and here for this one. So that is going to be 12 minus 9. Or we can do this, we'll write here, and later on we can simplify. Anyways is right. So 12 minus 9, that is going to be 3. And we can see the 3 is on the right hand side. So that is RHS, that is verified. Now this equation is given. Again, first now we will see for the left hand side, the LCM is 12. So this will be 3. This is going to be 3. This will be 4. This will be 4. This is what is written here. And for this one, what we can do? For this part, for right hand side, the LCM is going to be 4. So this should be multiplied by 2. So this is written here. So now it will be 9x minus this 4x, 9x by 12 minus 4x by 12. So this will be x by 4 as it is, and this will be 2 by 4. That will be minus, so minus 2 by 4. So now the LCM here is 12. So this will be 9x minus 4x by 12. So here will be x minus 2 divided by 4. So this will be 5x by 12, and this same here. So now what we can do, we can cross multiply it, because now this is a single number. So now we can do cross multiplication. 4 will go here and 12 will come here. So it is going to be 5x into 4, that is going to be 20x, and here will be 12 into x minus 2. So write in the bracket, because there are two terms. So this bracket is very important. So here 20x, that will be 12x minus 24. So now we'll take this x on this side. So 20x minus 12x, that will be minus 24. So this is going to be 8x is minus 24. So x will be minus 24 by 8, and which is going to be minus 3. So now LHS is, this is here. So in place of x, we'll write here minus 3. So this will be minus 9 by 4. And this will be what? This will be minus, and minus becomes plus, plus 1. So now you can see the denominator is 4. So this also should be, here will be 1. So this will be multiplied by 4, because the LCM is 4. So this is what is written here. So now you can see both places is 4. So you can write here minus 9 plus 4 by 4. That will be minus 5 by 4. But now you can see here, right hand side is not minus 5 by 4, but we have this equation. So now we'll take this equation. RHS is x by 4 minus 1 by 2. So in place of x, what was x? Was minus 3. So we'll write here this, for this one, minus 3 by 4, and this will be minus 1 by 2 as it is. So this the same. So now you can see the LCM, we can take, this is because the denominator, this is 4 and 2. So the LCM of this 4 and 2, this is going to be 4. So this should be multiplied by 2. So this is what is here. So now will be minus 3 minus 2 by 4. So this will be minus 5 by 4. So this is also minus 5 by 4, and this will be, the left hand side also is minus 4 by 4. So we can say here LHS is RHS, that will be verified. Now here a plus a by 3 is equal to 18 minus a by 6. So now let us do, we will take this a by 6 on this side. So all will be, a's will be together, and this 18 will be here. So now we can see here, here we can write 1. The denominator is 3 and 6. So the LCM is going to be 6. So this should be multiplied by 6. This should be multiplied by 2. And 6 is as it is. So this is going to be, here this is the step. So this is going to be 6a plus this 2a plus a divided by 6, because the LCM is 6 here. So you can write it only once, and this is the same. So this is going to be 6 plus 2, 8. And this a means there is 1 over here. That will be 9a. And this will go here. So that will be 18 into 6. So a is going to be 18 into 6 as it is. And this is multiplication. So it is going to get divided. That is going to be 9. So 9 ones are, 9 twos are. So this is going to be a is 12. Now take the, we have to check. So take the left hand side. This is the left hand side. In place of a, we can put 12. This is the same. So this will be, we can simplify this, 3 ones are, 3 fours are. So 12 plus 4, that is going to be 16. And the RHS is here. So same thing will be taken over here. So now this 18 in place of a, we got this a as 12. So we'll put here 12. So 12 by this 6. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are. That will be 18 minus 2. That is going to be 16. So you can see the LHS is 16 as well as the RHS is 16. So LHS is equal to RHS. That is right. Now let us solve this question here. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So here we have to be very careful. You can see the minus sign over here. So now first we'll take the LCM. Here will be multiplied by 3. So this is already 3. So this is written here. But now for this one, because this minus is for this as well as this one. So we have to put a bracket over here. And then write here 3 is equal to 5. So be careful with this step. Because if you miss, you write here just minus x plus 3, that answer is going to be wrong. So better put a bracket over here and then separate it. So now this is going to be 3x. So now it is going to be minus x. Minus plus is going to be minus. So now can you see here? The here was plus. But now if you don't write this minus, then that is going to be wrong. Divided by 3 is 5. So this will be 2x minus 3. This will go here. That will get multiplied. That is going to be 15. So 2x is going to be 15. Minus 3, there will be plus 3. So 2x will be 18. So x will be 18 divided by 2. That is going to be 9. So x will be 9. Now let us take the left hand side. The same over here. In place of this x, we'll put 9 wherever you see x. So here 9 minus this 9 plus 3, rest all the same. So this 9. So this is going to be 12 by 3. So now this will be 4, this minus sign as it is. So it will be 9 minus 4, that is going to be 5. So you can see here, this is 5, so that is the RHS. So that is verified. Now we'll see for this next one. This is the equation. So here there is only one. So we can take this part. This we will take on the right hand side. So this will get multiplied because this is in the denominator. So x minus 2 as it is and 3 into 4. So x minus 2, that is going to be 12. So x is going to be 12. If you take this minus 2, that is a transpose. If you are transposing this one, so this minus will become plus. So you know that LHS and the RHS, once again I will repeat it. So when it is on the left hand side is plus, if it goes to the other side, that will be minus. Minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So here is minus, so it is changing the place. So it is going to be plus. So x is going to be 14. So now we will take the LHS. LHS is x minus 2 by 3. So in place of this x, we are going to put this 14. 14 minus 2 by 3. So this will be 12 by 3 and this is 4. And now what we can see, the RHS is 4. So we can say that is the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So that is verified. Now here 3x minus 1 by 7 is 2. So this we can take it on this side. So that will be 2 into 7. So 3x minus 1 is going to be 14 here. So 3x will be 14. This will be plus 1 if it changes the side. So 3x is 15. So x is going to be 15. This will be divided by 3. So this is going to be 5. So x will be 5. So now we'll take the LHS. So in place of this x, we are going to put 5. Rest all the same. So this is going to be 15 minus 1 by 7. So that is going to be 14 by 7 and will be, this is going to be 2. So this is 2, which is the right hand side. So that is verified. Now this is the equation given. So 4x plus 1, this is going to be 5 into 5. So 4x plus 1, this is going to be 25. So 4x will be 25. This plus 1 will go on this side. That is going to be minus 1. So 4x is going to be 24. So x is going to be 24 divided by this 4. So 4 ones are 4 6 are. So x will be 6. Now we'll take the left hand side. So in place of this x, we are going to put 6 plus 1. So that is going to be 24 plus 1, that will by 5 divided by 5, that will be 25 by 5, and which will be, we can also write one step over here, that is going to be is equal to 5, and that is the RHS. So that is verified. Now here solve the following equations. This equation is given. So now we'll see the left hand side first. So this is 6. The LCM is going to be 6. So either you write on this side 2 or this side. So I've written on this side. So it's easy to expand it. It looks good here. Otherwise here many of them get confused of making this, putting the arrows over here. So this is already 6. So we'll write here 1 by 6 as it is. This the same. So this will be 4x minus 2 divided by 6. And this will be 1 by 6 will be the same. So now what you can do, you can see 6 on both the places because that is the LCM. So you will write here, this will take together 4x minus 2 plus 1 divided by 6. This is the same. So this will be 4x minus 2 plus 1, that is going to be minus 1 by 6. This is the same. So now we will do one thing, we are going to cross multiply at this stage. So 4 will go here, that will be 4 into this one. So put a bracket because there are two terms. Same over here, 6 will go here and this will be in the bracket because there are two terms here. So 16x minus 4 is equal to 18x plus 12. Bring this x on this side, so that is going to be minus 18x. This is already on the right hand side. If you take this minus 4 on the other side, that is going to be plus 4. So here will be minus 18 plus 16, that is going to be minus 2. So minus 2x will be 16. So x is going to be 16. Take along with the sign because this is multiplication, so it will get divided. So 2 ones are 2 8s are. So x is minus 8. So here they have just said solve the following equation. In the previous one they said solve the equations and you have to check. So just you have to find the value of this one. That will be x is going to be minus 8. So now this is the equation given. So first thing what will you do? You will write this as it is. And this is in the mixed fraction. We'll make it into improper. So you know that will be 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 divided by 3. So now look at the left hand side. So here the LCM of 4 and 6 is going to be 12. So this should be multiplied by 3 and this should be multiplied by 2. So now this multiplied by 3, so this also should be multiplied by 3. This by 2 means this also should be multiplied by 2. So this is the step. So now we are going to expand it. 15x minus 5, minus 3. And this will be minus 6x, and this minus and minus becomes plus. Be careful with this sign. So that is going to be plus 2. So now what will you do here? This is the step, and this the right hand side the same. So now this write together because there is 12 and 12 that we can take common. So this take together. So now will be 15x minus 6x, that will be 9x, minus 3 plus 2, that is going to be minus 1 by 12. So this is going to be 11 by 3. So this should be cross multiplied. So 3 will go along with this one, put the bracket, and this will be 12 into 11. So this will be 27x minus 3, and this will be 132. So 27x will be 132 as it is, minus 3 will be here, that will be plus 3. So 27x will be 135. So x will be 135. This is multiplication, so it will get divided. That will be 27. So 27 ones are 25. 27 fives are, that is 135. So x is 5. Now here, this is the equation. So you can see the denominator we have 3 and 7. The LCM is 21. So multiply this by 7. So this also should be multiplied by 7. This should be multiplied by 3. So this also should be multiplied by 3. So this is that step. Now we are going to expand it. So that will be 28x minus 21. And this is going to be minus 6x. And this is going to be minus 3. So this is here. Both the places 21. So here also 21. This is the same. So now, because now both the places 21 means this we are going to take it together. This is together. 21 the same is equal to 2. Now take x. That will be 28x minus 6x. That is going to be 22x. Now minus 21 minus 23. So whenever there is a both places minus means you are going to add this one, but put a minus sign. So minus 24 divided by this 21, that is going to be 2. So 22x minus 24, this will go here, that is going to be 42. So 22x will be 42, minus 24 will be plus 24. So 22x will be, this will be 66. And so x will be 66 divided by this 22, that will be 3. So x is 3. Now this is the equation given. So here will be 3. So this also should be multiplied by 3. Here will be 5. So this also should be multiplied by 5. So what will you write here? 3 into y plus 2 divided by this 5 into 3. So here 5 into y plus 1 divided by 3 into 5 is equal to 5. Expand it. 3y plus 6. And here what will you write here? 5y plus 5. So this is here. Both the places 15. This is the same. Now both the places is 15, so you will take this together, divided by 15, that is the same. Now we'll take y together, 3y plus 5y, that is going to be 8y, plus 6 plus 5, that is going to be plus 11, and this will go on this side, so this is going to be 15, this will get multiplied, so 15 5s are 75, or you can write a 5 into 15, both is the same, so that is going to be 75. So this 8y, that will be 75, and plus 11 will be minus 11. So 8y will be, when you subtract this, that is going to be 64. So y is going to be 64 divided by this 8. So y will be 8 ones are 8 8s are, so y is going to be 8. This is the equation given. Now you can see for this part, the LCM is going to be 10. So you are going to multiply this by 5. So this also should be multiplied by 5. This should be multiplied by 2. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So this is the step given. Right hand side the same. So now you are going to expand it. See the sign. Be careful with the sign. So you will get this. So here will be 10. Will be 3 by 10. So 15y minus this 6y, that is, or we can first do it, bring it together. So this is together and then take 10. And later step, you can just take this together. So that will be 5y, sorry, 15y minus 6y, that is going to be 9y. And here will be plus 24 minus 4, that is going to be plus 21. And this is the same. This is the same. So now 9y plus 21, that will be, you can do two ways for this one, because you can see this 10, both the places is 10, so you can just ignore this 10 and just write the numerator is equal to, or I showed you the previous one. So what you can do here, 9y plus 21, this will be 3 by 10, and if this comes on this side, that is going to get multiplied, so this and this gets cancelled, that is going to be 3. So anyways, you can do it. So now 9y will be 3 plus 21 is going to be minus 21. 9y will be minus 21 plus 3, that will be minus 18. So y is going to be minus 18, and this is multiplication, it will get divided, that is going to be minus 2. So y is minus 2. Now for this one, this is the equation given. You can see this part, the LCM is going to be 6. So this should be multiplied by 2. So here also by 2, here also by 3. So this is that step, right hand side the same. Expand it, 3x plus 27 minus 10x, minus and minus becomes plus 12. So this is the step, this remains the same, 6, this is the same, because this is 6 and 6, take this together, then you write here 6, this is the same, 3x minus 10x means minus 10 plus 3, that is going to be minus 7x, plus 27 plus 12, that is going to be plus 39, this 6 as it is, this as it is. So now you are going to cross multiply. So 3 you will bring it here and you will put a bracket because there are two terms. This will go here. You will put a bracket because these are two terms. Now you are going to again expand it. So minus 21 plus 117 plus 20, this will be 24x, and this is going to be minus 18 when you expand this one. So now bring x here. This is already here. This will be here, means it is going to be minus 24x. This minus 18 is on the right hand side, keep as it is. Plus 17 will go on this side, so it is going to be minus 17. So now again here, what will be that? Minus 21 minus 24. That is going to be, whenever this both minus means, you are going to add this one. So it will be 45 but minus 45x. And this is again the same. So you are going to do here minus 117 minus 18. So again you are going to add it. That will be 135, but that will be minus sign. Both the places minus means that is going to be plus. So x is going to be 135 divided by 45. So 45 ones are 45 threes are. Or we can do one thing again here if you are getting confused. So you will do your x will be minus 135. And actually there is here minus 45. So along with the sign you will take on the other side. So this is multiplication. So this is going to get divided. And you know, minus divided by minus will be always plus. So anyways you can do, or here itself you can do it. So x is going to be 3. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.